always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually gonna go over the best Jordans and the best Yeezys releasing in April 2021. Obviously it is April. I believe that this video should be dropping on the 3rd, which is Saturday. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover some sneakers that probably might have came out, just a couple sneakers. And I wanna talk about all the popular releases that I feel like are gonna happen between those two brands. There might be like some sprinkled in shit that we don't have yet. If this video gets enough love, I'll do a part 2 to this. If this video gets enough love, I'll do a part 2 to this around the middle of April, because they always do add new releases and shit like that I can cover in the future. If you do end up enjoying this video, man, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel so you're notified whenever I post a new video. Also, do not forget to click them post notification bells, because that is the most important part. And bro, we recently made it to 17,800. Thank you guys for showing love yesterday. Let's go ahead and keep this going. Once we get to 20,000 subscribers, I am gonna be giving away either a box logo, yes, or a pair of Jordans. So make sure you start subscribing. The sub count is right here. Go ahead and show some love. It definitely does mean a lot. But with all that being said, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Okay, so we're gonna start this list with Jordans, and then I'll talk about the couple pairs of Yeezys that are gonna be releasing this month. And the first pair of Jordans that's gonna be coming out is the Jordan 1 Zoom Stadium Greens. The Stadium Greens is pretty much this same sneaker with a different color blocking, the Chicago color blocking to be precise, and it is more comfortable because it does have Zoom Air at the bottom. These also are gonna release for $150, and what I've noticed with the Zoom Jordan 1s is that they barely have resale. Honestly, barely any of them do. I believe the Racer Blue, which was like one of the very first Zoom Jordan 1s they did, was the only one to have resale simply because of Dior effect. These right here is a cool sneaker. If it doesn't matter about the resale or the hype, this is a cool sneaker, to be honest. Personally, I'd stick to my Pine Greens. I do like the 1.0s, and the 2.0s are fire as well. Second up, we got the Jordan 12 Low Easter, which is also releasing on April 3rd. Honestly, I wish that this was a high top, because if it was, I personally would have gone for it. I do love the Rising Sun Jordan 12s, which are fire in my opinion, and I believe this one right here would have had a pretty good amount of resale if it would have been a high top. I do love the way this looks. It's almost like a Columbia Jordan 12, and it's fire. I'm a fan of it. I just wish it wasn't low, because honestly, I'm not a fan of Jordan 12 lows. I do own 2 pairs of Jordan 12s, possibly 3, which y'all will see in an upcoming video maybe. As far as resale goes, for both sneakers I spoke about so far, it's non-existent. These aren't gonna have resale. That's just my opinion on it. If it's dookie, I'm not putting it on this list. We got some Jordan 35s, which are ass. I'm not putting them on the list, like, nah. But on April 10th, we got a banger pair of Jordans, and it is the Jordan 5 Raging Bulls. They're calling it the Toro Bravos now. This is a must cop. I believe that I would pay resale for this sneaker right here. It's gonna retail for $190, which isn't that bad. I have seen some early reviews and people are saying that the suede is different, this, that, and the third. Bro, it's like 12 years later. It's gonna be different, period. Like, I don't care what it looks like. As far as materials go, I need this pair of sneakers. One of my favorite Jordans are the Jordan 4 Toro Bravos, and this is pretty much that, but more iconic with more history behind it. I'm getting behind the sneaker 100%. I definitely need these in the collection. I don't even have another pair of 5s besides these, and that's 2 hype beasts, bro. Like, I love OG Jordans. Let me know what you guys are thinking about these Raging Bull Jordan 5s. This is a must, honestly. These are gonna have resale for sure. I can honestly say that these are gonna go for $260, $280, and down the line these will go 3+ easily. There's a lot of people that have been waiting for this sneaker to retro, me included, and these are gonna go. These are gone, bro. On April 17th, we got a Jordan 1 that a lot of people are debatably saying that is the best one for this year, and it is the Jordan 1 Hyper Royals. That's basically the second iteration of the Turbo Greens. I don't know how people slept on this one but aren't sleeping on the Hyper Royal. It's literally the same sneaker with a different tone on the leather. One thing that I do like about the Hyper Royals is that instead of having like this weird ass leather on the toe box, it's gonna have just straight, simple, flat leather. I could get behind that. These are gonna go for bread. I would honestly rather get these than the University Blue Jordan ones that everybody was dying over. These Hyper Royals Royals are nuts. I definitely need those to go along with my turbos. It's gonna have good resale, bro. Do not sleep on the Hyper Royals, because that's probably like the best sneaker releasing in a while. I'm not gonna say it's the best sneaker this year because it's too early to even determine that, but this is definitely gonna be on that top 10 list they make at the end of the year. I feel like the University Blues are cool and shit. These just have something to them. They just look way better. They look more simple. They look more toned down, but at the same time, they speak to you, bruh. Retailing at 170, resale's gonna be $320, $340, $400 on these hoes. On April 24th, we have the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blue, which is the Columbia colorway, releasing again in the low version. Honestly, they could miss me with this shit. If they don't retro the highs, I'm good on it. Like, I don't like 12 lows, 11 lows, 13 lows, 14 lows, no lows over here, bro. I just want the regular silhouette OG model. Keep it high top. We just keep it high top, bro. All I need is the Jordan 11 cool grays and I'm good to go. I don't need the Legend Blues. If I get Columbias down the line, it's cool. I'd take it. Personally, I got the Breads, the Space Jams, and the Concords. All I'm missing is cool grays and maybe Columbias down the line, but I don't really need this. I'm good with the 4. These are okay though. If you like Jordan 11 lows, this is up your alley. Personally, they could miss me with the low shit. Like, we good on these, especially for 185 retail. They wildin', bro. This is April 24th once again. On April 28th, we're gonna have another banger, and it is the University Blue Jordan 4s. This low-key might be one of the best sneakers of the year as well. Yo, this month is crazy for sneakers. We got like 4 or 5 sneakers that are must cops this month. These University Blue Jordan 4s are crazy. These are definitely solid, bro. That blue on it just works perfectly. I'm definitely gonna try to get my hands on these. I've been trying to find them early to do a review for y'all, and it's just not panning out that way. So it is what it is. I'm gonna try to figure out a plug situation. These are hard though, bro. That blue on them, I saw reviews on it. The materials look bananas on these as well. I don't know what it is about the University Blue, but they've been killing it lately. Honestly, if I didn't have the Travises, I'd probably be more like, yo, I need these. I need these. Like, nah, I got the Travises, so I'm kind of good on these. But at the same time, if I could get them, I would get them, especially for retail. Resale on these is gonna be crazy. April 28th, $225 on the retail. Resale is gonna be around $350 to $400 plus on these for sure. Trust me on that. People have been loving this colorway, and I feel like this is another strong ass Jordan 4, which is something that we've been getting a lot of bangers on. So this next Jordan is kind of a rumor, kind of a speculation, and it is the Jordan 6 Travis Scott in the British khaki colorway. It's like this tan colorway on them, like a Carhartt khaki color. These are bangers. I do have the olive pair, but if I could get these, come on, I'll take them. It's cool. For retail, I would definitely take these. They're supposed to release April 29th for $250. There's not that much to say, bro. These are fire. He always kills it with the Jordans. Low-key, mostly all his sneakers have been bangers so far, and you can't go wrong with this colorway. Resale for this is gonna be maybe $500 to $600 at first. The 6s are like at $700, $800 right now. They were at like $600 for a while. These are gonna go for a little bit lower since these are the OG pairs, and the OG pairs might low-key go up because people are gonna see these and be like, damn, yo, I really like the OG pair. It's a must cop. Fuck a resale. I would keep these in the personal, to be honest. But the last Jordan releasing, which is on April 30th, is another Jordan 1 Zoom. So we started the month with the Zoom, we're ending it with the Zoom as well, and it is the To My First Coach Jordan 1. These hoes is ass. Like, these are cheeks. I'm definitely not going for these. We got the low and the top, low and the top.
Dumbass motherfucker.
Both are equally dumpsters. Like, I'm good on both of these shits. Who is stepping on my marble floors with these? Like, it's just not happening. Normally they kill it with the Easter sneakers. Like, I love these Easter Air Force Ones. I'm gonna do a collection soon, I promise y'all. These Easter Air Forces are hard. Like, bro, this is a fire Easter sneaker. Like, different materials, patent leather, soft suede, canvas, pebbled leather, cream outsoles. These are fire. But them shits, the Jordan 1s, are just disgusting. Like, who is picking these up? Let me know, please, in the comments below. But we're done with Jordans. Honestly, for Jordans this month, I'm gonna talk about my personal favorites. It definitely has to be the Jordan 5 Raging Bulls. We need those. The Jordan 1 Hyper Royals, need those. Travis Scott Jordan 6s, those are a must. University Blue Jordan 4s, must cop. All those 4 right there, bro. If I hit on one of them, I feel blessed. Low key, this month is gonna be fire. But those are the 4 Jordans I need. Now I'm gonna talk about the Yeezy lineup real quick, and then we'll get straight up out the building. Honestly, Yeezy isn't doing much this this month. There's no 350s releasing from what I can see on this website. There might be. If there is, let me know in the comments. But these Yeezy 500 highs in the frosted blue colorway actually isn't that bad. I feel like Yeezy 500s do look good in the high top, and they also do look good low top. I love Yeezy 500s. It's almost like a Dragon Ball Z looking ass sneaker. I don't know why, but that's just the vibes I get. But these are clean. It has like that creamish color around the front and the sole, and then you have two different tones of blue on the upper. These are kind of fire. The frosted blue 500s are releasing on April 12, so if you're interested in those, make sure you keep lookout for those. But we also do have the Yeezy 700 bright blue, and this is basically the same shit he did with that orangey upper looking color, but instead of that we got a blue on it. I feel like these are gonna go. Any Yeezy that has like that wave runner bottom on it is gonna go because people love that shit. This one low-key looks better than the orangish yellow one in my opinion. I just don't know why he's doing that midsole in that color. If the midsole was white and then you had the orange pods, this would slap low-key. These are gonna release April 17th for a retail of $240, which isn't that bad to be honest. We also do have the Yeezy 500 and Flame, which are gonna release April 24th for a retail of $200. Kinda ass, bro. These look like the Yeezy 500 boots he did with these blue and brown colors, and then he slapped a completely different color on the bottom of it. We got an orange outsole, like this sage green upper, which he should have used more of that on this sneaker. I feel like that would have slapped. The sage green with the light blue look good, but everything else is just crazy, bro. It's too much. If he would have done that sage green with the light blue and then a cream bottom, or even like a sage bottom, it would have been hard. I just don't know. This is definitely not my cup of tea. I feel like the colors he's been dropping are just obnoxious in my opinion, and these aren't really gonna do good resale wise in my opinion. Once again, through time they probably go up, but that's just my opinion. And last up, we got the Yeezy slides coming out in two new colorways. We got the pure colorway and the core colorway as well. Both of these are actually pretty clean. I still haven't got my hands on slides, Crocs of Yeezys, none of that. I took L's on almost everything, but if I can get my hands on these, I definitely will. I want to see what they feel like, what they look like with fits and shit like that. These are gonna retail at $60. I believe all of them have until this point, and they're gonna drop on April 26th. But that's pretty much it for what Yeezy has this month. There's not really that much releasing. If we do get updated sneaker releases, I can do a part 2 to this around April 15th, right down the middle of the month, with all the updated releases, see if anything changes and anything like that. But if y'all enjoyed this video, man, you already know what to do. Slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna put the sub count right here. What are you doing? If you're not subscribed, it just doesn't make sense. Like, if you love watching the channel and watching the videos that I'm bringing out, why not just subscribe? Like, bro, come on. Like, you can literally make a change today. Like, just subscribe down below. Literally all you have to do is subscribe, and you gonna change something today. Think about it. Like, you might not be doing nothing right now, you just laying in bed. You could literally change the world by just subscribing right here, but we could change everything. It's that easy. But go ahead, show some love, man. Thank you guys for always supporting the channel. It means the world to me. And also, I'm gonna start doing post notification shout outs, so comment post notification gang down below. You might get shouted out tomorrow at the beginning of the video. But with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.